Okay, so this is a airplane travel pillow. It has a lot, like almost memory foam kind of. It's very squishy. It has the clasp here, so that comes out, and then you press the button here, and that releases it. Demonstrate it. So it feels nice and comfortable actually. I didn't really. This would be a nice thing to lay on and to take a nap on a plane. So that clips there, and you can adjust it here. Yep, and so any direction. So this is a quality, very nicely, sturdily made, but also soft and relaxing travel pillow. And also has a zipper, and so you can unzip it, and I think so you can wash this in the wash. So there you go, travel pillow. Oh, the inside of it also has this nice soft texture too. Very, very relaxing.